Hello travel mates, how are you doing? Today is a very special day here in Mysuru, not only because of the Dasara Festival, but because
we're going to search for the best Mysore Pak in Mysuru.
Woohoo!
Mysore Pak is a classic Indian sweet originated in the royal kitchen of Mysore Palace on 17th century. It is made of ghee, sugar, cream flour, and often cardamom. The texture of this sweet is similar to fudge.
We did a little bit of research. We asked some locals for the best places here in Mysuru for the pak, the sweet desserts. And the first one we just arrived. It's New Bombay Tiffany's.
How many kinds do you have? We like to try the Mysore Pak. How many kinds do you have? Only one kind?
This is cashew Mysore Pak. And this is normal. Ghee Mysore Pak, ghee Mysore Pak. Can we get 50 rupees? 50 rupees? It's okay. Too much? 20. 2 and 2? Yeah. Parcel, please. Is the shop open?
50 years.
50.
50 years.
Is it the oldest in Mysuru?
Oldest.
Oldest? Nice. I'm happy we tried. Without fridge, 1 month? 1 month again. Even if it's this hot, okay? Hello. I heard
It's very sweet. I like it. It's quite oily, but it's very soft and very sweet. Our next stop was the legendary Guru Sweet, where people say it's the birthplace of Mysore Pak. We're going to discover the reason.
This one here. Oh, it's warm. It's a bit warm.
People don't take it.
It's made with pure ghee, and the shop is approved by the king itself, right?
Because his forefathers, the fourth generation, he prepared one sweet for the king. So the king liked it. So he asked, how did you do it? He told the ingredients. He told, then you name it. He called it as Mysore Pak. So that is how the name has come, and the shop has a history of 110 years.
You get it? I'm gonna try.
Please.
Oh my god.
It just melts.
So nice. It melts. It's not hard.
No, you don't have to put a refrigerator. It will stay for around 15 days. Better if you microwave it minutes before you eat.
Yes. Oh, it's so good. You try too. All right.
Just melt.
So can we have 2 of these and 2 of the special masala?
This is ordinary.
Ah, then
This is special. Happens is everybody wants only this. So we are going to visit witness Dasara.
yeah, happy Dasara. Thank you so much.
Enjoy the Dasara.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Happy Dasara.
सोचा था मैं तुम आ रही थी आंखें मिला के तुम मुझे क्या कहोगी सोचा था मैंने तुम आ रही थी आंखें मिला के तुम मुझे क्या कहोगी
Moving on to the next one. The streets are getting busier. It's this one, Mahalakshmi Sweets. It's in a very crowded road. The shop looks tall and a bit narrow.
3 flavors.
Which one?
This one, first one, special Mysore Pak.
Spicy.
This one, milk flavor.
Milk?
This one, almond.
Almond. Oh. I think we like to have like
2.
50 rupees each or
Yeah.
like 50 rupees each flavor.
3 flavors.
Yeah, 3 flavors.
Take it, please.
3 flavor like 100 rupees.
Taste me. Milk flavors.
So this is the milk flavor. Yeah.
This one, famous Mysore Pak.
So yummy.
This one, famous.
For Dasara? So nice. It melts.
Nice. Also.
Very nice.
Almond flavor.
This one is almond. Wow. This might be my favorite. What's your favorite? For you? Yeah, that's your favorite.
Regular Mysore Pak.
Everybody same or? Sweet, of course.
Milk original almond.
Oh man. Second one. Oh my god.